Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, I invite you to visit my Patreon page where I'm going to do a walkthrough of this video with some detailed explanation of how to practice it and some practical tips on how to get better at double stops and get better at specifically this etude. You can find my Patreon page in the link below. And also I'm going to upload this video on my YouTube membership site. So you can check it out either there or on Patreon. Doesn't matter, it should be the same thing. I thank you very much for your support and thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you in the next one.